Well, we're covering your health tonight. Buncombe County issuing a warning to people about the spread of whooping cough. Now, officials releasing a statement saying that the highly contagious illness is going around the county, and they're asking people to make sure vaccines are up to date, to visit their doctor immediately if you're experiencing any symptoms. Now, whooping cough can actually affect everyone, but infants under 1 and people with chronic respiratory illness, they are the most at risk. You can find more information about the illness on our website, foxcarolina.com.